Hey guys, welcome to the Rosario Homestead and Garden. Today is day 3 of our starter yeast. So we are gonna go ahead and feed this today. First, I don't know if you guys can see that. It needs stirred, but our bubbles are doing well. Depending on your weather, room temperatures, anything like that, it can take longer for the sides to bubble and to grow. Right now we are going through bipolar weather. It's not sure if it wants to snow or rain or be warm. So after the 3rd or 4th day, it is fermenting, it is growing, there is bubbles inside here. It could take a few days. If you don't see bubbles or it growing right away, don't be alarmed. Give it another day or two. If it doesn't work, dump it and try again. But don't throw it away right away if it's not completely bubbled up by day 3. It can take a few days for that. So basically what we're going to do, same as we've been doing. I'm not going to measure this out today. You should have about 8 ounces in here. So we're going to go ahead again, add 4 ounces of flour, which is 3/4 cups plus 2 tablespoons. So we're going to go ahead and measure out 4 ounces of flour. Ooh, okay. We went a little bit over, but that's all right. I'm going to go ahead, tear that back out to 0. And 4 ounces of water equals half of a cup. And it needs to be warm, like baby bottle warm. Tomorrow we may have to get a bigger jar. Okay. There's that. And then we're going to give this a good stir. It should be nice and thick. Mine was bubbling up very, very well. And then last night when it started to rain, I forgot to turn my furnace back on and it got to like, I don't know, it was like 52 degrees in my house when I got up this morning. So it was a little chilly in here. I had to turn the furnace back on, so that doesn't help. This was not sitting in 70 degrees, but you know, it'll be fine. And that is immediately starting to bubble up very well. Make sure you continuously scrape down your sides. Stir it pretty vigorously. Make sure there's no powder clumps in here. And that looks like it should do pretty good. It should bubble right away on the top, and that means it's a happy yeast. I'll show you that here in a second. And there you have it. Day 3. Tomorrow we will do the same thing. I will switch over to a half-gallon size jar. And then all you do with that is just loosely cover that. If you have a rubber band or, you know, a hair pony, anything like that, I'm just going to use a lid. I'm not tightening it. I'm just setting it down over the top. So it's, you know, I'm not going to tighten it or anything like that. But that way it's loosely covered. It's getting a little bit of air. And there you go. Our yeast is, it's a happy yeast. So, okay, I will see you guys back tomorrow morning for a day 4 feed and to see how it is growing from there. So I'll see you guys in the morning.